Hey there, let's talk about peacocks. The peacock is a national bird of India, as we all know. Peacock refers to male animals and peahen to female. Together they called peafowl. There are three different species of peafowl: the Indian peafowl, green peafowl, and Congo peafowl. The missing bird is an Indian peacock. Only Indian peacocks have the famous flashy feathers, trains, and vibrant blue and green plumage. Indian peahens are mostly brown and grey with a few green feathers. Peacocks use their trains to attract mates. The bigger and prettier the train, the more likely a peacock is to attract a mate. Peafowl are omnivorous, eating insects, plants, and small animals. According to National Geographic, the peacock is one of the largest flying birds. If you count the length of its train, around 150 centimeter or 60% of a peacock's body length. A wingspan 140 centimeter to 160 centimeter. Peacocks grow 19 to 130 centimeter tall and weigh around 4 to 6 kilograms. Peahens are slightly smaller. Peacocks can sort of fly. They tend to run and take several small leaps before a big final hope. They can't stay airborne for very long, but their huge wingspan allows them to flutter quite far. Peacocks have a top running speed of around 16 km per hour. Peacocks like to roost in high places like roofs or trees. Now let me tell you about a amazing species of peacock, a white peacock. Yes, you heard it right. The white peacock is not different than the peacocks. It's not a species of peacock, it is a special peacock that has been born all white due to a genetic variation. White peacocks are not albino. Albino animals have a complete lack of color and red or pink eyes, and albino skin is very pale. White people have blue eyes and colored skin. Leucism is a genetic mutation that causes loss of pigmentation. Animals with leucism retain their normal eye color. It's the features that do not have pigmentation. White feathers depends on which genes are dominant and which are recessive. White peacocks are not found in the wild. Patches of white would make the peacocks more visual to predators. The theory is that the recessive white coloration genes emerge in animals kept in captivity. This sometimes occurs with pet birds or animals. This gene mutation explains the existence of white peafowls. There is a variety of white color patterns that have appeared in peafowl bred in captivity. Pied white, black shoulder pied, black shoulder pean. That's it for guys. Next time we will come with another topic, another fact. See you soon. Bye.